Welcome to the HostVenom YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will cover connecting to remote desktop from a Windows-based computer. If your computer at home has a different operating system, we'll cover that in a separate video. If you're a HostVenom customer, you'll find the connection information in the welcome email received from us. You'll want to locate that email to follow along. To get started, we're going to locate the remote desktop connection program in the Start menu. We'll do this by searching RDP in the Windows search menu. In the computer field, we'll enter the main IP from the welcome email and select Connect. When the Enter Your Credential prompt comes up, we'll select More Choices and choose a different account and enter the username from the welcome email. In our case, the username is administrator, and the password from the email, and select OK. You'll be prompted with a prompt stating the identity of the remote computer cannot be verified. Do you want to connect? And you'll select Yes and be connected to the remote desktop.